Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Pupunta tayo ng Pujaira ngayon guys, Team 3. Maliit na alon doon. So, time check. Oras na dito, 6:45 in the morning. Darating tayo doon ng mga alas 10, sakto alas 11, high tide doon. So, tingnan natin. Yew!
Give me love in the morning, call me first thing when I wake my woman. Love you till the sun go down and round.
Jeff, ano masasabi mo ngayon dito sa sakyan mo? Long ride.
Gin na gin.
Basta yung takbo.
All goods.
Panalo.
Ito yung trip ng Saudi.
Panalo.
Panalo.
Now, now, baby, 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 baby. Whoa, now, now. She give me good, good love, say good love. Whoa, now, baby, 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 baby. Whoa, now. She give me good, good love, say good love.
Panalo, tol.
Panalo. Bad spot.
Inihaw na pusa. Pusa ba yan? Phew! Nasiraan po kami guys. Ayaw mag-start tong sakyan.
Give me love in the afternoon. Sit down, expect it right around noon.
Tapos tayo. Pag-iisig. Pag-iisig. Opo.
Now, baby, baby, baby.